This is the Niagara C2216-28 tank to bowl gasket. Now this Niagara gasket can also fit with a couple different Glacier Bay tank models as well. To list those models, you've got the Glacier Bay model 779-923 and the Glacier Bay 840-565, and then the Niagara models N2235T and the N2216T. So this tank to bowl gasket, if we see here from the top side, for the edge here, you get that little bit of a flange. You've got that oval cut out here in the middle. So we'll go ahead and get a couple dimensions now. Just to take note of, new gasket and an old one that's pulled from the toilet will measure differently. The old gaskets that have been installed, of course, they've been compressed down and stretched, so they will measure slightly different, but right out of the package, total length, we're gonna have right at about 6 3/4 inches. And then inner diameter, going the long way of that opening, we are just shy of 3.5 inches, probably right at about 3 and a half, you're right at it. And then going top down, right at about 2.5 inches. And once again, this is the Niagara C2216-28 tank to bowl gasket.